Forget your fancy foams and gels, let's talk real food, soul food, the kind that gets smoke in your hair and flavor on your fingers. In West Africa, that food is Poisson Braisé, grilled fish charred just right, marinated in a symphony of spices. It's the taste of sun-drenched markets, the rhythm of ocean waves, the soul of 1,000 family gatherings. This ain't your mama's fish fry. Poisson Braisé is a celebration, a riot of flavors, textures, and aromas that dance on your tongue. It's about community, shared meals, and the simple pleasures of fresh ingredients cooked with love. It's about time, tradition, and the stories whispered through generations. Trust me, once you've tasted the magic of Poisson Braisé, you'll never look at grilled fish the same way again. This is a dish that speaks to something primal, the allure of fire, the bounty of the sea, the art of transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. It's a taste of history, a bite of culture, a journey for your senses, so open your mind, loosen your belt, and get ready to explore the delicious world of Poisson Braisé. Now, pinning down the exact origins of Poisson Braisé is like trying to catch smoke. It's a dish woven into the fabric of West African life, passed down through generations like a cherished family recipe. No Michelin stars here, just the wisdom of grandmothers and the smoky aroma of history. Imagine coastal communities centuries ago harnessing the power of fire to preserve their catch. Fish kissed by flames infused with the flavors of the land. Spices traded along ancient routes, adding layers of complexity. What started as a necessity evolved into an art form. Over time, Poisson Braisé became more than just sustenance. It became a symbol of hospitality, a way to welcome guests, to celebrate life's milestones. From seaside villages to bustling cities, the aroma of grilling fish became synonymous with community, with sharing, with home. The beauty of Poisson Braisé lies in its simplicity. Fresh fish, often whole, scored to absorb the flavors. A marinade, bold and fiery, a secret handshake of spices passed down through generations. And fire, the essential element that transforms it all. Every family, every region has their own twist. Scotch bonnet peppers for a fiery kick, ginger and garlic for warmth, palm oil for richness, tomatoes and onions for sweetness. Each ingredient plays its part, a harmonious blend of flavors that sing on the palate. The fish, typically tilapia, snapper, or barracuda, is carefully cleaned and scored. The marinade, a vibrant tapestry of flavors, is massaged into every nook and cranny. Then comes the fire, glowing charcoal, its heat radiating upwards, kissing the fish with smoke and flame. The result? Crispy skin, succulent flesh, an explosion of flavor in every bite. A culinary tapestry, cultural significance, and regional flair. Poisson Braisé is more than just a dish in West Africa, it's a cultural icon. It's the centerpiece of family gatherings, the star of street food stalls, the aroma that fills the air on special occasions. From baptisms to weddings, from casual lunches to elaborate feasts, Poisson Braisé is there, a delicious symbol of tradition and togetherness. But like any good story, there are variations on a theme. Travel along the coast, and you'll discover a kaleidoscope of regional interpretations. In Senegal, you might find it served with a tangy onion sauce. Head east to Ghana, and it could be accompanied by banku, a fermented corn and cassava dough. Each region adds its own unique flair, reflecting the diversity and creativity of West African cuisine. And let's not forget the debate. Everyone has their favorite spot for Poisson Braisé, their go-to mama who grills it just right. It's a source of local pride, a friendly rivalry that adds another layer of flavor to the experience. The fire still burns Poisson Braisé in the modern world. In a world of fast food and fusion cuisine, Poisson Braisé remains a steadfast symbol of tradition. It's a dish that bridges generations, connecting the old with the new. From street vendors tending their smoky grills to upscale restaurants putting their own spin on the classic, Poisson Braisé continues to evolve while staying true to its roots. And its appeal has spread far beyond the shores of West Africa. As people around the world become more adventurous with their palates, Poisson Braisé has found its way onto menus in cosmopolitan cities, captivating diners with its bold flavors and captivating aromas. But no matter where you find it, the essence of Poisson Braisé remains the same. It's a celebration of fresh ingredients, simple cooking methods, and the power of shared meals to bring people together. A taste of tradition, the enduring legacy. So there you have it, Poisson Braisé, a dish that's more than just grilled fish. It's a taste of history, a celebration of culture, a testament to the enduring power of food to connect us all. It's the kind of food that stays with you long after the last bite, a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. The next time you see Poisson Braisé on a menu, don't hesitate. Order it, savor the smoky aroma, relish the fiery marinade, and let the flavors transport you to the heart of West Africa. This is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's a story told through flavor, a tradition passed down through generations. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. And trust me, once you've tasted the magic of Poisson Braisé, you'll be hooked.